Hello friends, what I'm going to explain now are tips given to us by technicians from a very well-known appliance repair workshop in the city. So stay calm because we're going to fix this. At the workshop, it's happened many times that a Frigidaire starts beeping without warning, and the first thing we always tell customers is not to panic. This beep doesn't appear randomly. The refrigerator is trying to tell you something important about how it's functioning, and understanding it is the first step to preventing a small problem from becoming a big one. Looking at the most common cases, we found that improperly closed doors are the #1 cause of the beep. Some customers tell us they placed a box slightly out of place, and although the door seemed closed, the system detected it and started beeping. The internal sensors are designed to prevent cold air from escaping and food from spoiling, so even if it seems minor, the alarm is doing its job and immediately alerts you. From our experience, it's always worth checking that nothing is blocking the doors and that the seals are properly aligned. At the same time, the problem isn't always so obvious. In several cases, we've seen that the door switch or sensor can fail, making the fridge think the door is open even when it's closed. Some customers have told us they checked everything and the door was fine, but the alarm kept sounding until a technician confirmed the sensor was defective. This explains why sometimes the beeps appear intermittently and seem random. Another very common reason is high internal temperature. When the fridge detects that it's too warm, either because the door was left open too long or because there are too many items blocking airflow, it triggers the alarm to warn you. Customers have told us that after rearranging the food and ensuring proper air circulation, the beep stopped almost immediately. This reminds us that keeping spaces clear inside the refrigerator isn't just a matter of convenience. It helps the system function correctly. We also can't ignore power outages or electrical fluctuations, which can make the Frigidaire beep. Some customers say that after a blackout, the alarm sounds and the panel shows codes or warning lights. Technically, the fridge is entering a protection mode to prevent